In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to remove shortcut virus from Pendrive or USB drive in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. First things first, you need to attach your pen drive or USB drive in your PC or laptop. Once done, you need to open your file explorer. You can use your keyboard, press Windows key and E key together. In that way, you'd be able to open it. So from here, please navigate to the left pane, find for this PC, click on that one. And here you'll get to see the devices, the flash drive or USB drive, the pen drive that you have plugged in, and that includes the C drive or your local disk. So from that first, you need to identify your drive letter. In my case, E colon is my USB drive letter. So you can see your drive letter that is being enclosed with the parentheses. Once you have identified your drive letter, you need to close this window and then you need to navigate to the button search bar. Please type for CMD. Once you've typed it, you need to wait until you'll get to see a best match here in this window before we continue. Once it's here, please navigate to the right side. Please click on Run as Administrator. And if you would receive a notification where your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this window. So this one, once you are here, you need to type the drive letter. So in my case, E colon is my drive letter. Once done, click on the Enter key in your keyboard and please type for DEL space asterisk dot LN key. Don't worry because I'll be including all of the command text that we are going to type here at the description box below or at the YouTube description so you can simply copy and paste it here. Again, this del space asterisk dot LN key, then click on the Enter key. So in my case, it says here could not find E colon backward slash asterisk dot ln key, meaning I don't have any virus in my USB pen drive or USB flash drive. But if you do, then we need to remove such, okay? So here, all you need to do is you need to type for attrib. Just copy this command at the description box below, okay? Since I'll be including that one. So here attrib space hyphen s, then space hyphen r, then space hyphen h, then space asterisk dot or full stop, then asterisk, then space forward slash s, space forward slash d, space forward slash l. Again, it is attrib space hyphen s, space hyphen r, space hyphen h, space asterisk dot or full stop, asterisk space forward slash s, space forward slash d, space forward slash l. Then click on the enter key in your keyboard. And once it says here access denied in my case, since I don't have any viruses in my USB flash drive or USB pen drive. But if you do, then you have just successfully removed that one the moment you have typed this one. Okay, type this commands. So that's it. This is the simplest way on how to remove shortcut from shortcut virus from your pen drive or USB flash drive. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.